Okay, hello everyone. So this is Jack again. This is our weekly webinar. I said I will give you guys a webinar next Tuesday, right? So here I am. All right. So okay, just a quick update. So in our last webinar, we said we can sell the sterling yen, right? So look at where the sterling yen now, right? So basically, we capture a move from 146 to 141. Wow, that is really almost a 500 pips move. Okay, how many of you earn this money from 146 from the actually it's April 16th, right? April 16th. It's actually 2 weeks ago. Sorry, 1 month ago, right? 1 month ago. 1 month ago, we have a sterling yen short. We capture a lot of money and we sell the pullback and capture a lot of money again. And now it is 141, right? It's 141. How many of you win money from this trade? All right. I have to tell you that just to share with you how much money I made from this trade. Okay. Okay, so you can actually see here. This is my Facebook group in a Projack Trading Class Facebook group, and I have just upload my profits here. Okay, so just give me a second for the picture to reload. Okay, you can see here. This is all the sterling yen trade I took, right? So I made 20,000 US dollar profit. Okay, in just 1 week from May the 3rd to May 7th. It's actually the last move, which I captured. I told you guys I want to short sterling yen, and I said you should sell. So I did sell it as well. So do you think 20,000 US dollar with 1 week, and my account size is about 100,000. So after this, I think I made 10%, 10%, sorry, 20% gain from this account. You can see my balance is 152, right? The initial deposit is about 100,000, and I made 20,000 from one trade, which is actually 20%. My initial risk is only 2%. It's 2,000 to 20,000. What do you think about it, guys? Do you think this is a good trade? Do you think that I made a good money? Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot of my students, right, is despite all the account size, it's okay that you trade with a 3K account or 5K account or maybe or even 1K account, but as long as you can make such a good profit, right, such a good profit like this, okay, you capture a very small risk but a very big reward trade, and then you just follow this trade and you execute the plan well, you can be very, very profitable, right? For all the students, for all the audience, who joined me my webinar for the last 3 webinars, it's actually you can see all of my webinars. I'm telling you that I'm shorting sterling yen from the day April 16th. I'm telling you I'm shorting sterling yen. I'm telling you I'm shorting sterling yen. I'm telling you shorting sterling yen, and then made a very, very amazing profit. All right. So this is what I want to just to highlight to you guys. Okay. So in case that you don't believe that I'm really trading with what I said, right? Here's the record. Okay. It's actually a continuous gross profit growing of this my curve, a 20,000 close trade profit. Right. You can see that because I decided to close all my sterling yen trade last week since I'm going to travel back to China. Okay. And again, this is a very strong evidence showing that how we actually take this market, how we actually be the friend of this market and make the money that we could make by risking a small amount of money. All right. So again, all right. So let's go for this weekly webinars. I want to highlight to you guys because a lot of things change, right? For the gold, last week, I'm telling you guys I want to buy the gold. Do you remember? Do you remember? I said the gold is going to break this triangle. Do you remember? Okay, give me 5 if you remember in last webinar what did I say? I said gold is likely to going up, right? And after the breaking of the triangle, we could buy the pullback, and I asked you to buy from 1282 or 1280, right? Look at this trade. Look at this trade. We capture the lowest point of the gold. We buy from here, okay, and then it actually the gold just rally significantly enough and hit my target. I'm telling you guys, I'm thinking the gold to give me the profit to here 1301. Okay, question. How do I know? How do I know that I can buy the breakout and pull back and aim 1301? Why do I say so? Do you remember? Did I tell you guys this? I'm buying the pullback from 1280 and I'm aiming 1301 earlier on my last webinar. Did I say that early, or I tell you now? Oh, hey guys, yeah, we just made a very decent move to 1301, and now you had to make big money. I tell you before or after? For those who joined my last webinar, did I say this beforehand? I did, right? You can check my recordings. It's in the YouTube, right? Nobody can deny that. But what kind of strategy I'm using? What kind of the tools? Okay, basically I want to share you is actually structure. Okay, structure. I'm using the tools of structure. Okay, structure here we can see a very good structure of here, right? It's actually you can see here, right? Just if you don't know how to finding structure, you just follow my chart. Do you want to learn what is structure? Give me your answer. If you want to learn, I'm going to give you a guide to a tour guide, all right, to let you to feel about the structure. How can we find a good structure? Yes, right? So only 3 people say yes. How about the rest? Okay. So in this webinar, I'm going to give you a tour guide, okay, about the structure analysis. It's very important. Okay. So here, let's start. Okay, let's start. On April 10th, if you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? All this 5 candles, including here 6 candles. Tell me, are they representing buy force or sell force? What kind of behavior it make? Tell me. It's buy, right? It's very obvious. It is a buy. It is a support. It is a demand. Okay, it is a key support. Okay, a lot of people are buying from here. Do you agree? Do you agree that all of the candles are buying, keep buying from 1302, and then boom, a strong rally, right? Okay, and then here, what happened? What happened of this candle? What happened to this candle? It breaks down. It broke the structure, right? So what I teach you guys is when a supporting structure was broken, what kind of characteristics will change? What kind of role it will play for the next stage? Just remember, a buy support was broken. It's telling you that no more people are buying from here. And the key thing is you have to understand that all of people who bought gold above 1302, what are they doing? Are they suffering? What kind of impact after these candles? Do you think that all of people who buy gold from here after this candle, they are all going to be losing money, right? Do you agree? Do you agree? Okay, yes. So since you agree with this, can I just draw a conclusion? Okay, what will happen? What will happen if the price gave them a chance? It pull back to the same place that it's broken, and what kind of behavior this part of losing people? What will what will they act? Are they going to escape? Right? Because they suffer so much loss, and then oh my god, my loss becomes zero, or my loss actually comes back half. A lot of people will run, right? Or those smart people will run, right? Only those people who bought and just hold gold forever, they have nothing about they know nothing about risk control, they know nothing about how to stop. Only those people, those really we can say new traders who will do this, they will just forever hold. But if normal people who suffer the loss from here, and then if the market gave them a chance to run, to escape with a very little damage, I think most of people will actually run, right? Okay, so my question is, how will this losing traders do in order to escape? By the definition of losing trader means the previous buyers after the breaking out of candles, they become loss, right? They are in a floating loss. How will they behave? You say run. How to run? In what kind of action? What action are they going to make? Okay, just remember, okay, if they are buying before, if they are buying gold, okay, previously, okay, now they have to sell to escape. Am I right? This is very important, okay? You have to think not only what you think of the market, you have to think what will be the impact of those people who trade before you, who are already in this market. Can I say that? It's important? But do you think this is important? Do you think the trading is only the game between you and the market, or trading is a game that for all the investors, all the traders? Are you facing all of the traders in the world, or are you only facing yourself? Are you the only trader in this world? That nobody's playing with this market, right? You cannot sell to anyone else. So can we just draw a conclusion that, okay, if there are people still holding the gold before this breaking out candle happens, they bought from 1302, okay, and now they will be scared and they are going to quickly run, escape, buy, sell, right? Okay, and can you tell me, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, after 12 4-hour candles, do you think the amount of people who are trapped, okay, how about the amount? How about the crowd of the traders who are trapped? Is large or few? Just one traders who are trapped, or a lot of people, millions of people, thousands of people, right? It will be large, correct, because it stays above 1302 so many days, so many 4-hour charts. No, it matters. Demon, you are wrong. It matters because if I can say after so many candles it broke, right? So it has to trap a lot of people. So when the price come back to this zone, are they going to sell? Yes. And what will be the selling consequences? The price will drop. Okay, so that's why I'm using this buy support previously, and now I know that it will become resistance. And tell me, do I see a resistance right now? Tell me. This is my anticipation, right? My anticipation is that, okay, this place 1301, 1302, it actually trapped a lot of buyers, and when the buyers want to escape, they will escape here. Okay, and I have a strategy. I have a buying orders from here because I know that the price is already starting a bullish trend, right? It makes a higher high and higher lows. Okay, and then I want to buy the breakout of this triangle, and I want to buy from here. And my target is 1300. Okay, my target is 1291 and then 1301 because I know there will be people who are selling from here. Yes, and I even have a harmonic patterns to be with me. I know that, yeah, it will come to here, right? So first of all, our long from last week, we earned about 200 pips. Do you agree? If you listen to my webinar, if you come to my webinar, attend my webinar last week, you actually already have a 200 pips win for the gain. You are right, Demon. They don't need 10 million people with $10 stop loss. They need $1 million and 1 million people. No, it's actually I care. What I care is a lot of traders who are making mistakes, and the amount, the volume here is not is really large compared to this kind of a single candles volume, right? Do you understand? Okay, the people who are, let's say the people who are trapped from this candle is definitely smaller than those people who are trapped by these 10 candles, because 10 candles means 10 times of volume of one single candles. Okay, so a lot of people who are by I say a lot of people who are trapped is actually a lot of money are trapped, a lot of contracts are trapped here, a lot of volumes are trapped here. So these people are going to escape, right? And that's why my target is here. So now do you know how to draw a structure? So the structure has to be a horizontal level that previously acting as support, right? And when it breaks down, we're acting as a resistance. And that's how I interpret this market, okay? Because I know the people who bought previously, what will they do after the breakout? Okay, so now let me just ask you, do you think it is a wise choice to take your profit from 1 to 82, the long profit, to take profit at this place? Do you think so? Do you agree that we should actually take all of profit of this buy at here, at an important resistance structure, and previously is actually a supporting structure? Do you think so? Yes, this is natural auto flow. Yeah, you are right. It's actually investor behaviors when a breaking candles form. It will actually create an impact for all the buyers and sellers who have already been participating in the market. They are going to make some decisions. Right? It is very easy to understand that if the price keep rally from 1268 to 1301, right? Do you think those buyers from here, they're going to take profit? Do you think so? All right, so here I'm actually telling you that there will be two forces. Okay, first is the selling force, okay, for profit taking people. Okay. Second is the selling force for escaping people. Do you understand? Okay, let me just give another group. People A and people B. Okay, let me give you a question. Okay, where is A? Tell me. Should I put A here, or where is the group people A? Is A here or A here? Or where is the B? You have to think. You have to think, really. You have to understand what I'm saying. Where's B, guys? Okay, I'm telling you, there will be two selling forces joining here. Okay, and one group is those profit-taking people. Where are them? Are they here? Here? Are they taking profit? Means that their entry is actually lower than this market price. Do you agree? Can I say A is all those people who bought gold from here? This is A. And who are those selling forces for escaping? Those here, it's B here, right? So when both the A side and the B side want to sell the gold, okay, some of them, they want to take profit of their long positions. Some of them, they want to cut loss. They want to run away. They want to escape from their big losses, okay? So this A plus B will creating two forces to sell. And that's why you can anticipate a 4 is coming even before it really hits. Okay, I can anticipate the price will goes up to here. Okay, because there's really not much orders in these big candles, right? It will goes to this place, and I can even foresee there will be a drawdown. There will be a pullback after the price hitting here. And now, do we see that happening, guys? Do we see this happening? Do you really see that there are sellers from 1301? Yes. Okay, and here, and then this is the power of structure. Okay. Okay, and now do you understand what should we do to make use of these conclusions? Since we know that people will take profit after the rally, we know those people who are trapped will actually run away from the market by selling, and then we see two forces coming. They come by A people and B people. They will actually sell from here, and then the price will come down, right? And where the price pull back to? Do you understand? Immediately, I can tell you where is the target for the short, or where will the short pullback most likely to be. How to find the clue, how to give you the answers. Where will if the gold will fall from here, where it heads to? No, not 618. 618 is a possibility, but by using the same structure analysis, right? You have to be consistent. Okay, so can I say that gold is actually acting as resistance for here, for here, for here, and for here? Look at here. What is it? What is this? Are they representing selling forces from April 16th till May 13th? Are they representing resistance? Are they representing sellers? Yeah, just using the same method. Are they representing sellers or buyers? Sellers, right? Okay, so you can tell a lot of people, a lot of sellers are selling gold from here, from here, from here, from here. And after this big Marubozo bar, where are the sellers? Are the sellers in trouble or not? Are they trapped? Just give me the answer. Do you think that the sellers are trapped after a breakout of 1290? Yes. So again, what we can do, we know that, yeah, now this structure will become what? Will become support. right? Can I immediately draw this conclusion? They will likely to become support of this area because all those sellers, they know they are wrong. All right, so there will not be a good buying forces until here, because firstly, when the price drops to here, it really comes back about $10, and it will make you think that, yeah, I can start to consider to buy it again to enjoy the next rally, right? And you can also know that all those sellers, they are going to sell their selling positions. Okay, so sell their selling positions means they are going to buy back. Okay, the sellers have to buy back in order to cut losses more. Okay, so here, if you really want to buy the gold, you have to consider here. And then we know that what the gold will likely to behave in the next few hours or in the next few days. And if you really want to participate in the next trend, right, you should watch the price action comes here, and what you should look is, or what you can see is, when the gold comes to here, do you think it's going to bounce from here? Do you think so? Do you think the gold is like to have a bounce from the structure? Yes, right? And what kind of candlesticks you're going to see? You have to keep asking these questions. Yeah, if you think yes, what kind of candles? Yeah, most likely you will find a pin bar. Most likely you will find a pin bar, right? Or what else? Or maybe you will see a inside bar and break up. Okay? Or you maybe see engulfing candles, right? These are all the possibilities you have to anticipate previously, beforehand. Okay, so basically you can wait for any of these three candlesticks to form. Okay, you can either see a pin bar, or you see an inside bar break up, okay, or you maybe see engulfing candles, right? So all of these three patterns will tell you, yeah, 1282, 1288 to 1290, there are support. Okay, so far so good. You make sure you can understand, you can follow. You know what I'm talking? I'm telling you how to find structures and what you should be thinking if you see a good structure was broken, and what will be your action, what will be your response, right? Don't just see the price coming up and down, right? You have to really think, what can you do to rely on it? Okay, good. So can I draw the conclusion now? Can I? Okay, so my conclusion is, okay, wait gold to pull back to 1288 to 1290. Okay, check price actions, okay, like pin bar or inside bar breaks up or engulfing. Okay, then what should we do? Buy or sell? You want to buy from the structure, or you want to sell at the structure? Which side you want to join? Yeah, very nice, very good. Buy. Okay, and where is your stop? Of course, my stop will be put below the bullish candle, about 1282. Okay, so here my entry is like 1288. Okay, my stop is 1282.40, maybe 50. Okay, where's my target? How do I determine my target? Of course, my first target will be the previous high, like 1301 again. Okay, my second target will be where? If this place is taken out, can the gold move to the next structure? And can the gold move to the next structure of here? You see, 1, 2, 3 candles are trapped here. My second target would be like someplace in 1305 or 1306. Okay. Okay. Good. So do you think now I have completed trading plan for all of you guys? Okay, wait the price pull back to 1288, 1290, right? Trying to buy from here, stop at 1292.50, aim 1301 and 1306. If the price can continue rally, very good. You just continue to hold, right? Take some profit when it hit the first target. Good. So now you understand how many things have I thought before I give you a trading plan, right? It really takes this logics. This really takes these thinkings. And if this plan is working well and makes you money, do you think it is this trading plan's power or is the logic in my mind who you actually contribute to the effort to? If you make money by this trading plan, right? Do you think it's this trading plan makes you money or the process of trading plan? How to build this trading plan, where it derived? It's actually the process. It's actually how do you draw a trading plan. You first of all, you have to make a plan first, right? If you never had a plan, you can never trade. Don't you think our stop loss over there would be so predictable to be 100? No. Because we are putting our stop loss below the very, very strong origin of this bullish move. There will be a lot of people who want to buy the gold again from here, right? Yes, our stop loss is obvious, but nobody in the market can sell the gold to hit my stop loss without really making so much, selling forces, unless they are Goldman Sachs, unless they are Merrill Lynch, unless they are those super big sharks, right? They have to pay a very, very big price to let the gold to drop to below this level. Okay, it's really trillions money is going to spend to hit our stop loss. Do you think he made so much effort, he spent so much money, the reason is to take your stop loss? You think that is a good deal? They are selling into the place of those people who want to buy from here. If there really are people who want to sell the gold to hit our stop loss, right? I can guarantee him have to pay a very, very big price. Okay, AB asked, I noticed from your history you sometimes double up trades. When is good time to do so? No, you actually make a misunderstanding. I did not double my trade. I'm using the small time frame trend, okay, to open more trade. Okay, all those new trades, okay, is based on different reasons. Okay, let me just give you the here. Okay, for example, if I want to buy gold from here to here, all right, I can choose to buy from here and hold it to here, right? But what can I do is I can buy from here. When it hits the structure here, I take the profit. Okay, so I have a trade who it's this ready, or then after the pullback I buy it again, and then I can eat another tranche of move. Okay, and then I take some profit, and when it comes back I buy it again, and then I make this money. So I'm not only trading one trade and hold it to the end, but I'm doing constantly, sell half, take buy back again, sell half, buy back again, sell half, buy back again. And then you will see in my history, I always holding my initial positions, but I will sell some here, and then we'll buy it back from here, and then sell some from here, and then buy it back from here. So by doing this kind of trade arrangement, you actually you think I'm doubling up my positions, but in fact it's no. I'm opening new trades. Each of the new trade is based on structure. Okay, structure breakout, pullback. Okay, breakout, pullback. And then a new structure was broken, you see here. Structure breakout, all right, take some money, pull back, I buy it again. And then boom, have another rally. Yes, I do, Raphael. I always take half profit. I always take half. When I have my profit more than 2 to 1 risk reward. And then I will add this half back again for the new trade. Okay, let me ask you something, right? So here is mathematics, right? By attending my webinar, you not only learn how to draw the chart, how to learn structures, right? But you can also learn how to calculate your profit, your risk. Okay, let me just ask you, okay, if you have a 10,000 account, if you have a 10K account, right? Follow the 2% rule, right? Each trade you are going to lose 200. You lose either 200 or win 400, right? This is 2 to 1 RR ratio. Okay. So my question is, okay, what will be the benefit to take half profit when RR ratio is 2 to 1? Do you really know why this taking half profit behavior is good for your account growth? What will be the benefit to take half profit when RR is 2 to 1? Okay, so let's just calculate, right? So when you have a floating profit at 2 to 1, right? Basically means, okay, it's up $400. Right? Let me ask you first, if you never take any profit, is there still a chance that you are going to lose in the end? Which means you, although you have a profit, you have a floating profit at 400, but you did nothing, you choose to do nothing, and then the prices just revert quickly and hit your stop loss. It's still possible that you turns into a winning trade to a losing trade in the end. Yes, right? Let's say, okay, let's say you will still have, okay, 50% of the chance, because what I say is if you never take some profit now, right, you may still have, okay, half or half, okay, half that you're going to be even rich, half the chance you may hit your stop loss, right? So 50% chance you're going to minus 200. Okay. Second, okay, if you take half profit, which means plus 400 floating profit now becomes 200 plus 200, okay, and you took $200 back to your pocket, okay. This means 100% win of $200, okay, and 50% chance of losing $100. Why? Why here it becomes losing $100? Hey, you may doubt, hey, how come? I take half profit, right? I have another half positions, right? Why is 100? Yes, because your position reduced to half, right? If you have a full position hit your stop loss, you will lose 200, and therefore, if half position hit your stop loss, you will lose 100, right? So in this case, if you half makes you $200 win, half makes you $100 loss, in the end, what is the result? Is 100% win $100, right? And okay, it's 100% win $100. Right, good. So let's go on. Let's move on. 3. If you take half profit and move the stop loss to break even, what is the result? Okay, it's 100% win of $200 and a risk-free trade to earn unlimited profit, right? Why I say unlimited? Because it's really, there's no skies. What happens if you just catch a trade that, you know, it's never come back and keeps running forever, just like Apple? You can really hold long, you can really enjoy the good profit. So I give you 3 choice. What will be your choice? You want to still have 50%, you earn nothing and you still have a 50% chance of minus 200, or you want to have a 100% win $100, or you want to choose 100% win $200 and a risk-free trade to earn unlimited profit. Which one you choose? Well, there is no scientific answer for this, right? You can choose either of them. You can close all of them. Oh yeah, there's another. You have another choice. 4. 4 means, right? Okay, 100%. You close all. You close all. And 100% chance to win $400, but okay, lose the opportunity to win more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 selections for you. Okay, just to give me your answer. Which one you want to choose? Which one do you think suits you the most? You prefer to lose the opportunity to win more money, or you prefer to take profit of 200 first and have a risk-free trade, or you prefer to, 100% win, take half position, take half profit and no stop loss break even, or you prefer to just ignore this floating 400 and just let it run, let it go. You don't want to take any profit. 3 is better. 2. Someone choose 2. 3, sometimes 4 if structured. Yeah. All right. For me, let me just give you my answer, right? If my trade, okay, so this is really depending. Okay, let's assume, right? 3 and 4 is the most common result for me, right? The only difference is right, I need to see, okay, is there any other room for the profit to grow. Okay. If there's more room upside or more room downside, okay, I know that it's the basically means how far. So you have to use the method that I teaching you previously in this webinar. Okay, you have to measure. Okay, how far is the next important structure? All right. If you know that the price already hits into a structure and cannot break it now, okay, the next structure is very near, okay, I prefer to take them all. If I know the price has just broken an important structure and opened up the room, I would choose to take half and let the half run. Okay, Full Moon Low says if it hits very fast, yes. Sometimes if the profit really hits very fast, I would definitely close them all. Okay, so just to remember my conditions, right? I'm always asking myself, how far is the next structure? Do I still have room to grow? If I still have room to grow, I will consider to take half profit and hold the rest. Move sellers to break even, right? If there's no more room or no very little room, I will just close them all. I will never take the first thing. Why? Why did I say I never do the first thing? I do nothing. I do nothing of this. I take no profit at all. Glenn said, why if it hits fast, we'll take all, because if it hits my target too fast, basically means the market moves very quickly, and it's very likely to see a quick rally after a quick drop, or a quick drop after a quick rally. Yeah, you will lose all your profit if you didn't take the all in a very short time. Yes, it will retrace. Right, you can definitely take all of them and just wait for the price to come back again, buy again. Okay, now my question is, why did I say I never do this thing? I will make sure this is not going to happen for me for the first options. Why? In all my trading experience, I make sure I won't just left the trade after it hits my 2-1. No, it is not because too much risk. No. Anyone can guess why I said number one is not my option at all? Not a good trading system. Very close, very close. Reduce your chance of big wins? No. It didn't reduce my chance of big wins. In fact, if the price continue rally, I can win more than I have only half position in the hand. Yeah, it's okay, Rafael. It's more of gambling. No, it is not gambling. It's just like you're not respecting the profit. You're right, Glenn. Yeah. Okay. Finally, AB said a very good point. Make a very good point. Okay. Everyone. No take profit means no money. You're right. Okay. No taking profit means no money. Okay. You have to remember this. And okay, let me just give you my official answer for this one. Okay, why did I never make the first choice? Okay, because okay, in my trading systems rules, okay, I only want to have 2-1 reward at least. Okay. Therefore, it's either minus 200 or plus 400. Okay. I only want this to happen. Okay. I never expect that one trade it will give me like 10K profit. Okay. I will take our profit first when the RR goes to 2 to 1, so that I 100% win this $200 and still have the growth space and increase my probability of winning. So this is a final thought of my trading systems. Do you understand? Because my rule says, okay, 2 to 1 reward is good enough. You have to respect this profit. You cannot just throw it away, because this time if you didn't take some profit, next time it just takes all of them. You just eat back all the profit, and you will get a loss of $200, right? So everyone, you should remember what AB said: no taking profit, no making money. Do I want to just trading just to play trading as a game that to see the numbers goes up, goes down? Do I just want to see this happen? No, I'm a trader. What I want to do is I want to make profits, right? So you have to remember the task, right? The objective for a trader of doing all your analysis and all your trading is to make money. Okay, it brings money back to the home, right? And if you have a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, where it's good, it's already up to the level you can already take some profit, right? Then why not? Why you want to wait for it to give you more money, and then you keeps holding until one candlestick happens and takes all of your profit away? Okay, so here my sharing is, all right, I will strongly recommend you to option 3 and option 4. Okay, depending on how far is the next important structure is. Yes, Madhan, then you have to draw more structures. You have to pay attention to every breakout of the structure. Okay, not just only waiting for in one time frame. Because in forward chart, if you never notice of this kind of breakout, right, in daily chart it will just be a piercing candle. You'll never understand this is pullback. Okay, so here, guys, are we okay? Do you know what kind of behavior that I recommend you to do? I will strongly recommend you to consider option 3 and option 4, depending on how far is the next important structure, right? I will never recommend you guys to choose to do nothing when your profit already hits 2 to 1. So give me 6. Give me 6 if you understand. Because here are 88 people here, all right? If 88 people understand my philosophy, I think it would be very, very worse for this webinar. Okay, worth my time of giving the webinars. You have to understand something. You have to learn something. Good. All right, so let's move on. All right. Okay, so this is what we see. Gold is going down, right? So you want to take sell. Wow, Ken. How you take a sell, right? Do you see a recent structure was broken? By just using the same method, right? It's a buying, buy force, buy. And then what happened to this, guys? Tell me. What happened to this candle? Do you think the structure was broken? Yes or no? No, I'm not telling you engulfing. I'm telling you to use the thing that I teach just now. Come on. Come on. It's not candlesticks patterns. It's structure broken. Yeah. And do you see the pullback? Do you see this pullback? Can we sell from here from 1 to 92, 1 to 96.76? Can we? You can see, yeah, the structure broken and pullbacks. Boom, you sell, you make some money. Easy, right? Is it that easy? And where's your stop? Okay, good. My entry is here, 1 to 92, 1 to 96.73. My stop is here, just above the breaking out the candles, right? This above this pivot. And what is your risk? It's about $3.2. So you just quickly measure. Are you going to?走啦? Okay. Bye bye. Okay, and if you go to 2 to 1, okay, good. Here. All right. If the price drop to here to 1 to 88, coincidence, right? Coincidence. Drop to the structure here, you'll make a 2 to 1. Good. And tell me if you successfully capture this following down move. Are you happy? Are you happy? Is that how we make money? Yeah. So today I have taught you guys how to draw structures, how to learn structures, right? By using structure, breakout, and pullback strategy, how to make a good trade. All right. And Rafael, thanks for joining my course, right? Yeah, I'm going to add all the videos to you, right? Because in the past 3 days, I've been teaching my China students in Shanghai three-day full course. Right? It's really busy. Yeah, no problem, no problem, right? So let's move on. Okay, so gold, right? Gold. We have already finished our buying target, right? All this from non-farm payroll from the last webinar, we have made a very nice profit. So take out of the long position, trying to find some bearish pattern to sell. Okay, from 1302 to 1304. Okay, trying to find some place to sell. It will come down to 1 to 90 or 1 to 85. Okay, euro dollar. Euro USD also made a very nice structure broken here, guys. It just broken 1.1220. Okay, so as long as the price are below 1.220, sell it. Okay, it will come down to 1.1160 to here. The euro is like to go here. Yes, nice trade off inside the bar. Okay, sterling, right? Sell it because sterling, as I said in my last webinar, okay, sell from 1.3040. If you understand this structure, okay, structure breakout, pullback, okay, sell. Sterling is going to hit the next support, will be here, somewhere about 1.28, right? So there's another 100 pips move. Dollar yen is finding some support from here, okay? So dollar yen looks for buying opportunities to fill the gap, okay? And meanwhile, it is also a 618 level. So this dollar yen trade is going to make you quite good money. Okay, so find some buying in a smaller time frame to capture this upside move. Okay, dollar Canadian still bullish. It's really nice pullback for 1.34, and now you earn is it now 1.34670. Okay, so continue hold. It will come to this place. No change. Aussie breaks down 0.7, right? Okay, and you can see here is nice structure. It's really nice structure. It breaks down, pull back now 0.69. There any other place for the Aussie? Let's look at the 30 minutes charts. You actually see the Aussie. I think it's really hard for the Aussie to find some. Okay, it's here. It's here. So the Aussie may goes to this place, 0.69 to 0.6830. So it's likely for the Aussie to continue to move down to this level, right? But not too much space. So don't short Aussie anymore. Okay, just watch it. Just watch it. Okay, for the oil. Very nice structure here from 60.63. Okay, it's a neckline here, and if you capture the bull from here, you really makes a lot of money. See, 60.80. Today it actually gives us a 2618 trade, right? It's actually a double bottoms, right? And then you can buy the 618 pullback. Okay, you can buy from here 60.90. And now you earn almost 100 pips. It's really good. Okay, and it may go into here. The oil have some upside potential to this place. Okay, to this place. S&P, okay. I think the S&P has finished the bearish move recently because it hits into this place. You can see the structure here is really strong, right? Okay, it actually bounced from here. So, and also in 89 EMA, it's coming back to the 89 EMAs. Okay, so today, so for this week, I'm bullish for S&P. So find any pullbacks, come to here, buy from 12823, buy from here. Okay, buy from here, aims 2,880. Okay, buy the pullback of S&P. For the Bitcoin, right? Very screaming. Where's your screamings, guys? For the Bitcoin, how many of you remember when did I send you the gift of my Bitcoin trade? Do you remember? It's last Christmas, right? Yeah, December 26. Okay. If you understand my trade and you really trade with this my ideas, okay, you'll be super rich now because it doubles, the Bitcoin doubles the price. Okay. And I recently put a post here, okay, and I said if the BTC breaks for 5,007, you can buy the pullback, and from 7,007 you earn almost 2,000. Okay, and if you this is the recently made in May 2nd. Okay, I said that after the breakout pullback you should buy. Okay. Look what happens. It really goes up and pull back in a smaller time frame. You can see all the here pullback happens. Okay, it's really break up and pull back, break up, pull back. Okay, very nice target. And now today is really, it's a very nice profit. Okay, it's above 8,000. Okay, and if you remember in last Christmas, this is my Christmas gift for everyone. 3,661, right? If you buy from here, if you follow this trade, right? If you follow this trade, think how much profit you could make by this one good trading plan. Dollar yen up. Just tell him, okay? Look at here. I asked you guys to buy from here. It never hit the stop, right? Never hit the stop. I aim 5,004. It hits the target, and then after some consolidations, right? This is placed. I said you should buy the breakout and pullback. If you remember, okay. breakout, pull back, buy it again. Okay, now it's 8,000. Okay, doubles account. So this is the power of professional trading. This is the power of a good quality trade, right? So I think I've covered all of the markets today, and I have taught you how to draw structures. It's really makes you guys very, very freshing skills. XRP, okay, sure. Everything will be you will understand the market more than you know after you applying my analyzing skills. Okay, you will never be afraid of any market, right? So Ripple, okay, very good, very strong rally. Not only that you see how strong the rally is, okay, but your next question is, where is your next trading plan, right? So very, very obviously from here, we can see the structure was just broken by today. Okay, guys, so by the pullback of Ripple, if it comes to 0.38264, you buy, and then you wait for the next rally to 0.52. Understand or not? How to join the rally? Yes, how to join the rally? Now, do you have the answer? By using the structure analysis. Everyone who joined today, you should be able to learn how to use these strategies. Okay? Structure broken out, wait for the pullback, buy from here, join from here. No need to be stop loss 0.28. No need. You just go to 1 hour chart. You see when is the last breaking out candle. Just put your stop loss below the last breaking out candle. And you have to have some fundamental views of this thing. Okay? You have to think, why should you invest in Ripple? Not EOS, not ETH, not LTC, not BTC, not BCH. Why Ripple? Why? Do you love Ripple? Do you really know what does Ripple do? Why do you choose this? You should have some beliefs of your investment symbols, right? All right, very sorry. The internet was down. It cannot see the smaller time frame. Really? Do you think so? Do you really think it has much more potential to all-time high than BTC? No, I doubt that. I doubt that. I doubt that. Yeah, it could pass all-time high, but if the Ripple pass all-time high, what will happen to Bitcoin? Right? Which one is stronger? Then you should just you know, just to see the trend of XRP to BTC, right? If the XRP versus BTC is downtrend, then why should you invest in Ripple? Do you understand where I'm coming from? Jack says, and Gold Force. Yes, not I said. The structure gives you this trade. Right? Don't thank me. Thanks for the structures. Thanks for the ideas. Thanks for these trading strategies. Right? Of course, I developed these trading strategies. Yeah. Okay. So you have to have some ideas that why the Ripple, why Ripple, not BTC, right? Okay. Right. In daily chart, okay, XRP is really good to buy. Okay, because it's actually here, right? It hits the previous support. It may have a uptrend, right? But it was kept. Okay, this upside potential of the XRP to BTC is kept at this level. Come on, it's very hard for the XRP to break this level. It have some potential, right? So what I suggest is you should invest in both. You should invest in Bitcoin and invest some in Ripple. Okay, diversifies. Yes, this is against Bitcoin. Yes, you're right. I'm asking to check this chart because this one, you know which one is stronger. Okay. So if you want to have the gain of the XRP versus Bitcoin and the gain of Bitcoin versus US dollar, okay, you should trade both. You should buy the XRP and buy some BTC, right? And I said the Ripple is hard to make the breakout of here. It's really strong level. Okay, it may goes to this previous high, but then it's, you see, every time when the Ripple goes to here, you see, you can see here the craziest things happens in the here when Ripple goes to this all-time high. Okay, yeah, and also previous here. Okay, and now it comes very, very quickly. So which one is more stable, Ripple or Bitcoin? I will prefer Bitcoin. It will be stable. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for coming. Okay. Drop me a message to harmonicasia.com, email.com. All right. Send me a message of the course discount because I'm going to make a 10% off. Okay, in May for my trading course. You can join my trading course online. You can learn it. You can learn it online from your house, from the internet, okay, from the YouTube. Right? I will teach you all the things you can see here. Today, the structure is actually the foundation of technical analysis, right? I will also teach you how to draw 618, how to draw the extensions, how to set up 2618, how to buy the lightning pattern, garlic pattern, bats, butterfly, cipher, whatever. Okay, it's all my trading strategies and all my trading systems will be shared to you, and I will mentor your progress after you join the students group. Right? In fact, Raphael and Nick and Joanne, right, and Jason already comes to my course, right? It's really good to have you them. Good to have you to join my course, and I will definitely to give you guys the best locations. Okay. Go nice for running good profit. Cool. Happy for you, Manhattan. So yeah. So how do you think about my course? Do you think Jack's strategy is good? It's effective, right? Look at the gold. Wow. Come on, guys. We just to and to sell the gold from here. We sell from the structural pullback, and now it continue goes down, right? Almost 1-to-1, almost 1-to-1, right? So yeah, just a happy trading and a happy life. Plan your trade and trade your plans. Okay. All right. Yeah. Don't forget to send me an email to harmonicasia@gmail.com. Okay. You'll be good to receive the 20% off. Okay. All right. Yeah. I'm going to upload to YouTube right now. Thank you guys. See you. Bye.